Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for another S.E.E.K Science Club video powered by S.E.E.K Foundation. I know you're like, what are we doing today? Well, we are going to make a potty popper, yay! And learn how to use and apply force. I said it twice, apply force. So we're gonna make a potty popper with applied force. Let's get started. The materials we are going to need for this activity are toilet paper tube, yes. One balloon, a small one that can blow up about 9 inches. A pair of scissors, these are my lucky scissors. You can use Post-it notes, different colors, at least 3 different colors, or you can use colored paper. This is what I had laying around the house. Tape is optional. You do not need to use tape, but if you want it to hold for your balloon, you can use it. And white paper. Again, the white paper is optional. I just don't want to make a mess everywhere. So those are the materials you're going to need, and we are going to get started. Step number 1. Grab your balloon and you are going to cut a little bit above the neck part. And once you do that, you're going to add it to the top of your paper towel. Let's go. Step number 2, if you want, you can add tape around it. You don't need to, but I'm just gonna add tape to be on a safety precaution so this doesn't come off, but you don't need it. Again, you can add tape around your balloon, and you can also add tape on this to close it, or you can tie a knot. All right, so it should look like this. All right, there you have it. You do not need to put tape on here. You can just tie it in a knot, easier to do that, or just put tape on. I just wanted to put the tape so I can have this little pulley part, okay? Now, next step, you are going to choose 3 colors that you want to use with regular color paper, 8x11, or Post-it note. I have Post-it note. I am going to make the confetti pieces that will go on the inside of my toilet paper tube. So what you need to do for that is to line 3 colors up and just cut vertically maybe 10, 15 rows, and then you're gonna cut horizontally to make little small pieces, which are little tiny squares for your confetti. Let's get started. Next step, now that you have made your confetti materials with the 3 different colors, and you can use more than 3 different colors, you are going to add this inside of your toilet paper tube. Let's go. Now is the moment of truth. We are going to use a contact force because there are 2 types of forces that come in different forms. You have contact force and non-contact force. And the one that we are going to use is applied force. I am going to use my hand to apply force to our homemade party popper. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! You see that? And it works. Welcome to S.E.E.K Science Club. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for another video powered by S.E.E.K Foundation. Bye.